In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a PDF file in Microsoft Excel. This is a useful skill when you want to include reference documents, reports, or any PDF content directly into your spreadsheet. By the end of this video, you will know how to insert a PDF as an object and manage its placement so it fits neatly in your Excel worksheet. First, open the Excel file where you want to insert the PDF. Make sure the worksheet is ready and that you know where you want the PDF to appear. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of the Excel window. This tab contains all the tools you need to add different elements to your worksheet, such as charts, images, shapes, and objects. Click on Object, which is usually located in the text group on the right side of the ribbon. In the Object dialog box that appears, select the Create from File tab. This option allows you to insert a file from your computer into your Excel sheet. Then click Browse to navigate to the location where your PDF file is saved. Select the PDF file you want to insert and click OK. After selecting the file, you can choose whether to link the PDF to the original file or display it as an icon. If you select Link to File, any changes made to the original PDF will be reflected in your Excel worksheet. If you select Display as Icon, the PDF will appear as a clickable icon that you can move around the worksheet. For beginners, Display as Icon is usually the easiest and cleanest option. Once you've made your selection, click OK to insert the PDF into your worksheet. You will now see the PDF or its icon appear in your Excel sheet. You can click and drag it to reposition it wherever it fits best. You can also resize the icon if necessary by clicking and dragging the corners. Now your PDF is successfully embedded in your Excel file, making it easy to reference or share with others. Remember that if you want to open the PDF, simply double-click on it, and it will open in your default PDF reader. And that's it! You now know how to insert a PDF file into Microsoft Excel, giving you a convenient way to combine your data and documents in one place. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.